Hello, so in our previous video we have seen that how we can install Odoo in our local machine with Windows 10. So now we will see that in order to create a database in Odoo, what we need to do. And for example, if we want to create a database with a demo data, so how we can do this in Odoo. So once you go into your Odoo link, so it will give you, it will show you a database manager, database selector, and here you will have a master password. You just need to remember this so that whenever you want to create a new database, you want to restore any database, you should know this key. So you just click here and copy your key and save wherever you want to keep this in record. Okay, so now you will provide the name of database. So here I say that code Krista. You can give any name for your database. Here you can provide the username, password. Currently I'm using admin. Now you can provide the phone number and you can select the language, and here you will select your company. So we are in Pakistan, so I'm gonna select Pakistan so that the demo data will be imported as per the Pakistan country localization. So now I will select here the demo data and I will click here on the create database. So it will create a database for me. Okay, so now your Odoo database is ready, and now you can simply log into your database by providing the username and password. So I'm here currently providing admin. So now you can see our Odoo is ready. What we need to do, we just need to install the applications.